Good afternoon, everyone. I told you I would let you know what the winning book was that we will be reading. I took the information that you guys gave on the survey and I put it into a tally chart first, and then I created a bar graph from that information, just like you guys have been doing last week. Really cool to be able to see that data like that. But Charlie and the Chocolate Factory won. Charlotte's Web had 5 votes. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory had 10 votes, and the Twits had 1 vote. So we had a total of 16 votes. I voted for the Twits, I know, so I had 15 of you scholars vote, and then myself. So we will be reading Charlie and the Chocolate Factory starting on Monday. I will upload a chapter a day, just like I did with the last book. And I hope you tune in. I am looking forward to reading this book. It's one that I remember when I was a kid reading it in school, and so it was something that I enjoyed then, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And if the book you voted on did not get chosen, that might be something that you want to read on your own, or maybe read with your parents. And check out. Maybe you could do it this summer or something. We will also hopefully have time to do another read aloud this year before the year is out. So we'll do another one of these votes. I'll select a few books and we'll vote for another book choice later on in the year. So please tune in on Monday. Thank you guys all for voting. I'll step away so you can see our charts. All right, our tally chart and bar graph with our information, and I look forward to starting chapter 1 of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on Monday. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.